Users often need to answer sets of questions based on how they answered previous questions. In Flowfinity, you can use skip logic to display or hide individual fields or entire pages in mobile forms. Let's take a look. For example, an inspector performs fire system inspections on buildings containing different fire safety systems. Inspectors only need to answer questions relevant to the safety systems specific to a building. First, customize the application. Then in the Forms section, create a field that categorizes the sets of fields the user will see. In this example, the user has 3 options: fire alarm, standpipe and hose, and sprinkler. Now, click the Add Page button to create a new page for your first set of questions under the fire alarm option. Add the appropriate fields to your page. For this example, we'll add the year installed, a numeric field, then a user lookup field to indicate who performed the installation. Now, click on the page header and change the visibility condition to conditional. Specify the conditions under which the user will be able to see the page. For this, the condition will be that the Safety Systems Present field, a checkbox field, will have fire alarm checked off. Click Save. Now, repeat the same steps to create new pages and fields for the remaining options, standpipe and hose, and sprinkler. Once you're happy, save the form and publish the application. Here's what it looks like on a smartphone. Now, when the user selects a specific safety system, such as standpipe and hose, then clicks Next Page, he or she will only see sets of questions relating to that system. If the user goes back and selects sprinkler, a different set of questions will show up. Now, we'll go over how to display or hide specific fields. For example, let's say the fire alarm system failed, and the form now needs to display new mandatory fields detailing information about the failure. Go back and customize the application. We'll first add a new field, which allows the user to indicate if the inspection passed or failed. Let's choose a drop-down field, and then enter pass or fail as options. Next, we'll add another field that requires the user to provide reasoning if the inspection fails. We'll make this a memo field. Now, under Visible, select Conditional. Specify the conditions under which the user will be able to see this field. For this, the condition will be that the pass or fail field equals fail. Click Save. Let's also make this field mandatory so the user can't leave it empty. Save the condition and the form, then publish the application. Let's take a look at it on the mobile app. If the user selects Fail, the mandatory comment field shows up. And if the user attempts to submit without any comments, a warning message pops up. To try this out yourself, start a free trial of Flowfinity today.